Welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn about conditionals. When we write code, sometimes we want to run some code depending on some conditionals. For example, this without conditionals, it's always going to print hello. Let's see. Hello, hello, hello. This is going to run every single time. But sometimes we don't want to run that code. We want to run some code depending on conditionals. For example, if year is 2020, if year it's bigger than, this is bigger than 2090, we are going to print some code. Print welcome to the future. If year 2020 is bigger than 29, it's going to run this code. Let's see. Hello, welcome to the future. Let's see if we change the year, it's going to run the same code. No, it's not running. Why this is happening? Because this year, 2018, it's smaller than 2019. So when the code tries to run this code, compares 2018 to 2019 and see that it's smaller, so jumps this code. It's like this doesn't exist. Okay, let's go back. Year and 2020 and it's running again. We don't need this hello anymore, so we are going to comment it. What is to comment a line? When we comment a line with the hash symbol, this line won't run anymore. It's like it doesn't exist. Okay, we can comment this, and this. Now it's like nothing's here. So let's keep going forward. We have also else. What does else means? If we have year 2050, we can say if year bigger than 29, print welcome to the future. And of course, won't run this code. But we can say if year it's bigger than 2019, run this code. Else, meaning if you don't run this one, print you are in the past. And this is running. This 2015 is the year. It's smaller, so this doesn't exist, and it's just like this. We use else to say run this code. If not, run this one. Let's comment it. And also we can use Elif, meaning that we can do the same but with more conditionals. For example, if year it's 2090, if year is bigger than 2090, print welcome to the future. Of course, 29 is equal to 2090. This won't run. But we can say else if or elif year equals 2090, run this code. Cool, we are in the same space time. Oh, I forgot to close it. It's okay. Cool, we are in the same space-time. We are doing the same with the else, but with another conditional, and we can say more conditionals. Elif year smaller than 2090, print you are in the past. This one's the same because it's going this way, but if we say 2010. You are in the past. This one. Let's comment it again. And we can use AND. Here there is only one condition, but we can use more conditionals. For example, if 5 it's bigger than 4 and 5 it's smaller than 10, print yeah. We need to run affirmative in both conditionals. If, for example, 11 it's smaller than 10, this condition is passing, but this one is not, so we won't see anything. We can use also or, this conditional or this one. For example, if 5 equals 6, print yeah. Of course, 5 is not equal 6, this one wrong, but we can say or 5 it's lesser than 10. We only need this condition or this one to be true to run this code. And it's running. We have learned how to print information according to one conditional, to print if this condition passes or this one, how to use multiple conditionals, how to use AND in one conditional and OR. So now it's time to the exercise. On this exercise, you are a bouncer. You are going to ask the user's age, and according to the answer, you are going to let the user enter to the pub or not. Remember that you can ask the user for some information like this one, and you can store it into a variable, and you need to use the conditionals to print the information if you let the user enter or not. Stop the video right now and try it. This is my answer. First, we are going to ask the user's age with input how old are you? And we need to transform the answer into an integer or a number. If user's age is lesser than 18, print sorry mate, you are too young. If not, else we can print welcome to the pub. Let's try it. How old are you? I'm 5. Sorry mate, you are too young. Yeah, sadly. What if we are 50? Welcome to the pub. We can enter. Remember that you can use Elif to add more conditionals. Elif user age bigger than 100, print you should be here. Let's try. I'm 110. What will happen? It will go this way or this one? Let's see. Are you sure you should be here? Both conditionals are true, but as this is the first one, it will go this way, jumping the second one. Remember this rule when you are planning your code. Well, I will see you on my next video.